Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because it's evening time. I don't know if you could tell from my video, but it's evening time. I think it's 8:38 and my box of Scentsy just came. So I'm super duper excited because today we are going to be opening the Whiff box, for October 2022. I'm so excited. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm super excited to open the Whiff box, but let's go ahead and talk about what is a Whiff box. So it's basically a subscription that you can control whether you want it once, every month, every other month, or every 3 months. You could put it in your Scentsy club and get 10% off as well. So it's a great deal, and I absolutely love it. Has a bunch of sample and full priced items. Costs $30, but you should put it in your Scentsy club so that you get 10% off, okay? So it's different every month, and I am so excited. So let's go ahead and open this up together. So let's see. Scent with Love. Oh, it's all about fall. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I don't know who this girl is, but she is living her best life. Doesn't she just look so happy? She's like, yay, Scentsy in the fall. That's what I'm thinking. It says, elevate the moment, Whiff box. Let's see. So it says it's time to elevate the moment. Use this page to create a gratitude list. Oh my gosh, a bucket list that will help you stay focused on things that matter the most. Whether you want to carve out some quality time to bake with your loved ones or take a moment to write down something that you're thankful for each day, it's up to you. So they just gave you a sheet where you can like put things that you're thankful for or things that you value. I really like that. That's really cool. Okay, so that's that. You guys, I'm already seeing good stuff in here. They gave me some Scentsy Air, which I don't know why this jazzes me up so much that Scentsy has its own air packets. But I love that. I don't know why. Weirdo. Okay. So I'm already excited because I already see everything in here I like. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I got more of this. Ooh, it's the apple and cinnamon stick counter clean. You guys, I'm currently using this, but I had only bought 1 bottle and now I have 2 bottles. And I've been using the Scentsy Fresh in this scent as well, which is for your linens. You guys, it's for your fabrics and amazing. Okay, and now I see you got 3 bars in here. 3 bars, okay? Ooh, we get sips of cider, which I love. I love cider scents. Ooh, that smells good. So we got a sips of cider. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. It's actually in my Scentsy Club. Cinnamon buttercream. Oh my gosh, you guys, it just smells like buttercream frosting. I just had cake from the grocery store yesterday. I know. Do I look like someone that eats cake? Yes, of course I do. And it was too sweet. We had to throw some of it away. But the buttercream on it, oh, and that's what it smells like. This reminds me of that cake. So good. Okay, what was the next one? Maple rum cake. Oh, this is part of the Harvest 3-pack. And this one's my favorite from the 3-pack. I've already put this in my Scentsy Club. Yes. Oh my gosh, maple rum cake. This, oh my gosh. And it just looks pretty. Like, look at that. Hello. Hello. And then, you guys, we got a little something cool in here. We have the Child Buddy Clip. Some people call it Baby Yoda, but it's not. It's Grogu from The Mandalorian. And it's a little buddy clip. Super cute. Let's get it together. Your jacket's covering your face, buddy. So he is just so stinking cute. He's got some kissable whips too. Is it me or are those some kissable whips? He looks like he's going like this. Love him. Okay, so that's super cute. But there's more. Man, they gave us a lot. Farm stand pumpkin. Oh my gosh, you guys. Scent pack. I'm going to open that up and put it, because I don't really need a scent pack for any more of my buddies. So I think I'm going to put it in. I like to put it in my pillowcase. I think that's where this one's going to go. In my pillowcase. Farm stand pumpkin. Here for it. And then clove and cinnamon scent circle. You guys, they gave us a ton of stuff. This is a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm super impressed. And then they gave us a sample of sweet orange and evergreen. That's the scent for next month. The scent of the month for next month, which I am not going to open this because I want to be surprised next month. So that's what we got. Let's go back through it one more time. We got the apple and cinnamon stick counter clean. This is a lot for $30, you guys. We got the 3 bars, which was maple rum cake. Whoops. Maple rum cake. Boom. What was it? Cinnamon buttercream. Boom. Sips of cider. Yum. We got the farm stand pumpkin scent pack. Yay. The clove and cinnamon scent circle. Delish. The sweet orange and evergreen huge sample. And the Child buddy clip. You guys, this was a great box. We got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff. For 30 bucks, this one was a steal. Anyways, if you guys want one, I'm going to go ahead and drop the link in the description below. And you can go there and check it out and get yourself one as well. Oh my gosh, this was a good one. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. And I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.